Hey everyone, in this video we'll see all the options in revolve, boss or base. So first I'll select the plane and I'll create this. Okay. So instead of creating at the axis, I will give on rotating axis. No, that's it. I'm not gonna constrain. Okay. So by selecting that axis, it has revolved my sketch. So in this, so same as in extrude up to vertex. If any vertex is there, it will revolve up to the vertex, and this is up to surface. This is offset from surface. This is mid plane, and I'm gonna explain everything to you. First, let's create one vertex and one surface. Let's say just revolve. When I give up to vertex, as you can see, it is revolving only up to the vertex. If you flip it, you can see it is rotating, revolving only up to the vertex, same as up to surface also. Revolve up to surface. Now you can see it is considering this surface. If you give flip, it is rotating up to here, revolving up to here. And then offset from surface. I'll give offset from surface, and I will take this surface. The reason why it is not taking this face is the revolve is completely not go into this space. That's why it's not taking. See, this cut is not completely going into that. That is the reason it is not taking this face, but it is taking this face. From this face, the end condition is 5 mm offset from this surface. So this is a mid plane. So when you give mid plane, you select 20 degree, 10 degree this side, and 10 degree this side. It is revolved. Only these are all the options in revolve, and for all the remaining options which are here, please refer my previous extrude video, because these things, everything will be same. Merge result, thin feature, selected contours, everything I have explained in my previous extrude video clearly. So this is it in revolve. I hope this clears the revolve option. Thank you.